AI video creation is evolving fast, and now Higgsfield is about to launch Kling 3.0, a major update that could completely change how creators make videos. Today I will show you how we know so far, what features are expected, and why creators are getting excited about this release. Welcome back to Futurecraft Intelligence. If you love AI tools, tech updates, and content creation tips, make sure to subscribe this channel. Higgsfield is a AI platform focused on next generation video creation. It allows creators to generate high quality videos using artificial intelligence, reducing production time and unlocking creative possibilities. Kling 3.0 is an upcoming update expected to reduce major improvement in AI video generation. While it has not fully launched yet, early information suggests better realism, smoother motion, faster rendering, and more creative control. Let's quickly walk through the Higgsfield website so you can see where Kling 3.0 will be available. Why Kling 3.0 matters for creators. AI video is becoming one of the biggest tools for creators, marketers, and businesses. If Kling 3.0 delivers on expectations, it could make professional video creation accessible to everyone. Many creators are already calling this one of the most anticipated AI release. AI Higgsfield continues improving its technology. Kling could become a serious competitor in the AI video space. Well, now expectation from Kling 3.0 AI video user discussion analysis. You can see there is a blog post where you can clearly see the updates. Well, the Kling 3.0 is not yet launched. It will launched upcoming. So you can see here the Kling motion control, Kling 2.6, Kling 0.1 edit. You can do everything using this Kling 3.0 updates. After getting this update, we'll also create another video about it, and we'll review all these things, how to create a video using Kling 3.0 and how to edit, how to add a cinematic audio, and about all these things we will review further. Again, you can see the workflows, longer formats, structure, multiple scene generations, subject consistency, Kling release capabilities, all these things here in this blog post. You can read all the articles and understand how it will work and how it will change the entire system in AI video generation. So if you are a professional video creator or content creator, or if you have a company, you can create ads, create a video, create movies, create short clips using this Kling 3.0 made by Higgsfield AI. All the videos you will generate here, it will faster and it will look very polished and like a human kind of videos. Not just that, it will look like a AI. You can see there is two options in Kling 3.0. After it will launch, you can create 15-second videos and 5-second videos clips using this Kling 3.0. Look at this video. This is absolutely subject consistent and like a real video in my frame. If you want to know about Higgsfield.ai, you have to research about it. You can go through their website. I will add this website link in my description and pin comment as well. You can see there is explore option, image option. You can see all the AI tools are here in one frame. You can use Kling, you can use Nano Banana Pro, you can use Higgsfield Soul, you can use Grok AI. All these AI tools are in one frame. You can also edit videos, create short clips, AI influencer using this Higgsfield AI. You can control motion using this Higgsfield AI very well. There is a cinema studio, there is a AI influencer, and there is a lot of options to move character and create photo to video, text to video, text to photos. All this option you will get here. After create a account in here, I will create another video about this Kling 3.0 after this launched. So if you want to create a short clips, or if you want to create a cinematic video, or if you want to create a video for your company for ads or marketing, you can use this tool in 2026. If you are not using Higgsfield, I think you are in back. So I think you need to step up and use Higgsfield AI. After that, you will know the world AI, how it is growing and how it is doing good. So if you are also trying to growing your business or trying to create content or making videos for fun, you can use these tools for everywhere. The better solution for better workflow, use this Higgsfield AI. You can easily control your motion. You can easily create lots of type of video like suspense, like horror, like war type of like a tutorial. You can use these tools for everywhere. What do you think about Kling 3.0? Will AI replace traditional video production? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe and check the link in the description to learn more about Kling 3.0.